Welcome back to Orozco's Kitchen. Today we're going to be unboxing these knives that are sent to me from Sunneco. It's a 5-piece knife set. Let's open these up. And today we're going to be making some steak. All right, we're going to be cooking on the Blackstone today. So let's check out these knives first. All right, it comes in a nice little box. It's a 5-piece set. Let's check these out. Looks like we have a one little knife here. Let's check out the finish on these knives. Beautiful, very nice. All right, we have another knife here. It's like a utility knife style. This is more of like a paring knife for lemons and stuff. This one here, utility knife, you can really use it for anything. And then let's check this one out. It's another great knife. Great for like slicing onions, jalapenos. You can even chop meat with this one here. It's got a great finish on it. I really like this little curve here too. It just sits into your hand nicely. All right, let's check out. Got a little bread knife here. This one's pretty sweet, and kind of goes with the set. But yeah, check it out. Very sharp knife. And then this last one here is going to be the chef knife, which is probably what I'll be using the most. So yeah, it's a great little set here. So we'll slice our steak with this knife here, and we'll give it a try. But yeah, pretty nice set here. I'm gonna do some potatoes from Trader Joe's here. This knife is just too sharp. So nice. Cuts like freaking butter, man. Look at that. It's nice because I can get shit done quicker, you know? Check these out. Alright. Little ribeyes. I'm gonna be spraying it down with some little oil here. A carnivore blend. Potatoes in there. Spray it down with a little bit of oil. The blend. Here comes the steaks. All right, we got our steak. It's been resting. We're gonna cut into this thing. Get that ribeye to the side here. All right, let's give it a go. Man, it cuts through this steak so nicely. Now that we're here, let's give this thing a try. The perfect ribeye. So good. Really digging this knife. Perfect for steak. like and subscribe. We didn't put all the plate together with the potatoes and everything. I made them, but the main attraction was the steak. And yeah, this is it, guys. Perfect steak.